Hey everybody, this is Eric Lark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Bordeaux, France, and I think I'm in front of Notre Dame, but I don't know that that's right because it says that it's Paros Saint Louis, so maybe it's okay. Let's just not guess, but the directions or the information down below will be correct. I always get it correct in the information, but the church is amazing. Quite fantastic. Let's go and see what it is. And it's got glass doors, which means it's one of those pay things, my guess is. I don't know that it's true, but I guess we'll stick our head in and see what we get, right? And maybe the information will be here. Yeah, so Saint Louis des Chatrons. I don't know that is, but we're gonna stick our head in. Wow, look at that. Let's go right down the middle. Look at the stained glass up there. That is fantastic. Wow. It's hard to see, but the altar is pretty amazing, for sure. And the ceiling is pretty amazing, dark. Stained glass on each side is pretty amazing too. And then look at the, whatever this is. It's not a chapel, but it's pretty amazing sculpturing. And the other side is equally as nice, but it has a whole set of different figures and stained glass too. And I love the look of the hallways, you know. Shut the door. Pardon me. Pretty amazing. And I only found this because I was walking around. This isn't in the top 10 or the top 50 or the top 100 or the top 50 unusual things to see or do. It just is a church on the street of Bordeaux. Amazing. Okay, that's it for me. Oh, is that Joan of Arc?